Hey everyone, Romel here, and in this video we're going to be going through Dell's warranty process to replace this AW3821DW. I've done a few of these RMA process videos in the past, one for EVGA and another for the AppleCare, which I'll have linked up here if you want to see what the RMA process is like for those companies. In this video though, we're going to see what Dell's is like and how smooth the process is and how it compares to the other two. A few weeks ago, I was using the monitor like normal, just reading a few articles on Fernando Alonso actually, and out of nowhere the screen flickered and the image was burnt in and vertical lines started to appear on the monitor. There was really no sign that this was going to happen, and it really caught me by surprise. At first I thought it was something going on with the Mac Studio, but I quickly switched the input to my desktop and the issues still persisted. I saw the article burnt in as well as the vertical lines when I was on my desktop input, so I knew for sure it had to be the monitor. I did a quick search on Google and found a few people mentioning and commenting on a Reddit thread that they also had a similar issue with the AW3821DW. I then decided to try to contact Dell to see what my options were to get the RMA process started. I went on the website, clicked my monitor, and then the only option I had was a phone call. I basically got on a call with a customer representative and they required some information from me. I had to go into the diagnostic mode of the monitor and take a few pictures of the monitor during different steps of the process. Just changes color and then you take a picture and then press the button again, it changes to a different color, and you can clearly see that there were some image burn-ins with the whole diagnostic process. After that, I had to write some information on a piece of paper and then take a picture of that piece of paper with the service tag, probably just to verify that I do have the monitor in front of me that I'm talking about and that the issues are with that monitor that I'm taking pictures of. That was all through an email thread that he started while we were on the call, and I was able to just reply to that email thread with all the information that he asked for. He did tell me that this whole process will require a manager approval, and that would take 1 to 2 business days on top of the call. He did also mention that the whole process might take 15 to 30 days just because of the supply chain issues. He did say that I was going to get a refurbished monitor, but after finding out that I was based in Canada, he said that I would be getting a brand new monitor, which was also a surprise to me. Both of the other RMA process I got a refurbished product back, but this time I received a brand new AW3821DW. After the call, he followed up with an email saying that he got it to a manager and that he'll reply once it's approved. It took about a couple days to get the approval and then another couple days to get the shipping label printed. After the shipping label was printed, I had a tracking number, but the tracking number didn't update for almost the whole entire week, and then a whole nother week for it to start shipping, and then there were delays in between the time it shipped and the time it got to me. So overall, it took about 3 weeks after the shipping label was created. And this is no fault to Dell at all. It was the shipping company that they used. And honestly, shipping these days, it's hit or miss. Sometimes I get a product without delays, but more often than not there are delays on the way, and I'm just used to it these days. It was a lot quicker than the initial estimate of 15 to 30 business days. It was closer to the 15 business days than it was to 30 business days, which I was really excited about. And like he said, I did receive a brand new AW3821DW. The unboxing, the setup is all the same. I do have a video that I'll link up here as well as a short review on this monitor. Overall, I'm really happy with the replacement monitor because it's brand new, and yeah, I haven't had any issues with it so far, and hopefully I have no issues with it in the near future. Overall, this warranty process was really smooth. I think the biggest differences were, I got a brand new monitor instead of a refurbished one, and another one is they didn't ask for any credit card information up front, with the EVGA and the Apple Care, I had to provide my credit card information as a sort of collateral so they can put a hold on it to ensure that I send the item back and not keep both of them. With Dell, I'm not really sure what happens after, but I'm definitely going to send this monitor back because I don't want to find out. And yeah, I think the only other thing that I'm worried about is shipping the monitor back. They did say I can ship it back in the box that they sent the monitor in, but I've never shipped a monitor before, so I'm kind of anxious about shipping a monitor, and hopefully it goes smooth. I don't want this to get lost or damaged on the way and then get blamed for it, but hopefully no issues there. I will update you guys if there are any issues on that front, but so far so good. And since I do have my monitor back, I will be doing a full setup tour video soon. So if you guys want to see when that video is out, hit that subscribe button. I do have a few more pieces of my sim racing rig that I do need to finish reviews on, and I have obviously more keyboard and mice videos that I am continuously working on, and we'll post those when they are ready. And if you guys have any questions or comments about this whole process, leave them in the comments down below and I'll do my best to answer. If you guys want to get in touch, I'll have my socials linked as well, and you can always message me on Discord. That's gonna be it for me. I am out.